Hey guys, how are you? Today I'll be showing my EDC for today and for the month of October. So I will start off with the things that I'm not directly carrying, but I do carry every day. So first off, just a regular aluminum bottle. This is a small one, 200 milliliters. I carry this every day, either like on my hand or on some bag. I also carry Moleskine big notebook. It has this envelope part here in the back. It's pretty useful, and these are top quality. I carry this one. I carry with me. This is a Caran-d'Ache pen. The model is 849. Okay, I will be reviewing this later on. So, for my keys, still carrying my Alfa Romeo keys with this Massimo Dutti just ball, just so it's easy to pull out of my pocket. My house keys with a Leatherman Micro, Energizer keychain light, and a survival whistle. Krabby wallet with some money and my cards, and with the Wallet Ninja, and both I've reviewed. So, pack of gum, peppermint. Let me see. These are my, yeah, they're all tangled up. My headphones that I carry every day. Sony something, I'm not sure, but it's a pretty basic model. They are very affordable and they are great. They are indestructible. When I was younger, I used to go through, I don't know, like a new set of headphones every 3 months or something, and then I got not those, but a pair similar to those, and they held up for 5 years before I actually lost them, and I had to buy a new one. Okay, so in terms of fire, I have a large, big lighter, and then I also carry this, which is I don't know what this is called really. I got this off a Tiny Deal. Just like there's a Ferzim rod, and then this is the striker, and of course it's not working. So yeah, pretty much it just works like a match. Okay, finally. Okay. Pretty useful if for some reason this doesn't work. Then keeping the same, my Rubber coin coin holder, and then I have this in here, just a Ferzim rod. Only change. What am I missing? Okay, so my flashlight is it's the Phoenix E01. This is around 10 lumens. It's pretty small and compact. It works great for the purpose that I need from it. Then my multi-tool, it's the Wagner Soldier. Alox. It's really great. I have reviewed it in the past. Really great multi-tool, extremely light. One of my favorites. And then my EDC knife for today, small Sabanza 21. Just an amazing knife. Mine is a little bit beat up, as you can see by the shades, and I am going to send it off to be for a spa treatment, but it's a really amazing blade. I'm not carrying like an heavier multi-tool, for example Leatherman or something, because since it's kind of that transition between summer and fall, I'm not wearing those heavier coats that allow me to carry a lot more. So for now, this is my everyday carry. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you did. I put up videos almost every day, so yeah, if you are into this sort of videos, you will enjoy my channel. Thanks very much. Bye.